Greetings, fellow space enthusiasts, and welcome to our journey through the fascinating history of Mars colonization. The dawn of Mars colonization is a story that begins not in the 21st century, but rather in the mid-20th. The earliest plans for Mars colonization were actually laid down in 1952 by Wernher von Braun, a German-American aerospace engineer and space architect. His book, The Mars Project, was a visionary text that outlined a detailed plan for a manned expedition to Mars. He proposed a fleet of 10 spacecraft, each carrying 70 crew members, to set forth on this ambitious journey. While his plan was audacious and far beyond the technological capabilities of the time, it sparked a dream that has captivated the minds of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts ever since. As the decades rolled on, von Braun's ambitious vision began to slowly take shape in the blueprints and proposals of the world's leading space agencies. By the late 20th century, NASA, America's space agency, began to seriously consider the prospect of Mars colonization. NASA's Mars Direct proposal in the 90s, championed by engineers Robert Zubrin and David Baker, aimed at a more feasible, cost-effective approach to colonizing Mars. Their plan involved sending an unmanned spacecraft to Mars first, to produce fuel and oxygen for a later manned mission. This was a major shift from von Braun's initial proposal, as it emphasized sustainability and self-sufficiency on the Red Planet. In the years that followed, numerous studies and proposals were made, each refining the dream of Mars colonization and bringing us closer to making it a reality. The dawn of Mars colonization was not marked by a single event, but rather by a series of small steps, each building on the last, each guided by the same dream that was first articulated by Wernher von Braun. As we can see, the dream of colonizing Mars has always been alive and kicking, waiting for technology to catch up. As we entered the 21st century, a new player entered the field determined to make Mars colonization a reality. SpaceX, an ambitious venture founded by Elon Musk in 2002, emerged with a grand vision to make life multi-planetary. Musk, an entrepreneur known for pushing the boundaries of technology, saw not just the potential for scientific discovery, but also the survival of the human species in the colonization of Mars. SpaceX, short for Space Exploration Technologies Corp., set out to revolutionize the space industry and transform the way we venture into the cosmos. It aimed to reduce space transportation costs and enable the colonization of Mars. And in less than 2 decades, SpaceX has certainly shaken up the industry. So how does SpaceX plan to achieve the colossal task of Mars colonization? The answer lies in a spacecraft known as Starship. Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft currently under development, is designed to carry up to 100 passengers on long-duration interplanetary flights. With the ability to refuel in space, the Starship could make the journey to Mars feasible and affordable. This is a game-changer, as it could make Mars colonization a real possibility within our lifetime. Moreover, SpaceX has made remarkable strides in reusable rockets, a concept once thought to be a pipe dream. Through the successful landing and reuse of its Falcon rockets, SpaceX has dramatically reduced the cost of reaching space. This is a major step towards making space travel more accessible and affordable, a crucial element in the grand plan of colonizing Mars. But it's not just about getting to Mars. Musk envisions a self-sustaining city on the Red Planet, a place where life can thrive. This ambitious vision is the driving force behind SpaceX's relentless innovation and progress. With the advent of SpaceX, the dream of colonizing Mars started to look less like science fiction and more like an achievable goal. Fast forward to today, the race to Mars is more heated than ever. We're witnessing an unprecedented surge in Mars exploration projects. The Mars rover missions, for one, have been pivotal in our understanding of the Red Planet. These robotic explorers have been our eyes and ears on Mars, unearthing valuable data about the planet's geology, climate, and potential for life. The Mars 2020 mission, with its Perseverance rover and the Ingenuity helicopter, has taken this exploration to new heights. Perseverance, the most advanced rover to date, is currently scouring the Jezero crater for signs of ancient microbial life. Meanwhile, Ingenuity, the first extraterrestrial helicopter, is demonstrating the viability of powered, controlled flight on another planet. In the realm of human space travel, SpaceX's Starship spacecraft is stealing the spotlight. This ambitious project aims to make interplanetary travel a reality. Starship is designed to carry 100 passengers, making it a potential game-changer in our quest to colonize Mars. However, the journey to Mars is not without its hurdles. we face several challenges in colonizing this alien world. The radiation on Mars, for instance, is much higher than on Earth, posing a significant risk to human health. The planet's lower gravity could also have long-term effects on the human body, while the lack of an Earth-like atmosphere makes it difficult to sustain life as we know it. But these challenges are not insurmountable. We're coming up with innovative solutions like building habitats underground or using the planet's natural resources to create a livable environment. We're leveraging technology to turn what seems like science fiction into science fact. Despite the challenges, our journey to the Red Planet continues with unwavering determination. As we look forward, the future of Mars colonization is filled with exciting possibilities. Let's take a journey into the not-so-distant future and explore what's in store for us on the Red Planet. SpaceX, the frontrunner in this interplanetary race, has set its sights high, with ambitious plans to send its first cargo mission to Mars as early as 2022. This will lay the groundwork for a crewed mission, which is slated for 2024. These missions are just the beginning of SpaceX's grand vision to establish a permanent human presence on Mars. But why Mars, you might ask? The answer lies in the potential it holds. Mars colonization could be the next giant leap for mankind, opening up new frontiers for exploration and scientific discovery. It could unlock the secrets of the universe, and perhaps provide answers to some of our most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Can life exist on other planets? Beyond scientific discovery, Mars colonization could also have a profound impact on humanity as we know it. It could serve as a lifeboat for humanity, providing us with a second home in the event of a catastrophic event on Earth. Moreover, it could spur technological advancements that could trickle down to our everyday lives. Just think about it. The technologies developed for the Apollo missions led to advancements in everything from computing to healthcare. Of course, the journey to Mars won't be easy. There will be challenges to overcome, from the technical and logistical to the physiological and psychological. But as humans, we've always been explorers, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And with the collective efforts of scientists, engineers, and visionaries around the world, we are poised to take on this challenge. The future is indeed bright for Mars colonization. The Red Planet beckons, and we are ready to answer its call. Our journey through the history of Mars colonization has been nothing short of a thrilling ride. We've traveled through time, from the dawn of the idea of Mars colonization to the fascinating possibilities the future holds. We started off by looking at the early plans for Mars colonization, when the Red Planet was still a distant dream, an enigma waiting to be unraveled. The ambition and audacity of those early space pioneers paved the way for what was to come, sparking a fascination with Mars that continues to this day. Then, we moved on to the new millennium and the rise of SpaceX, a private company that dared to dream big, rekindling our collective fascination with Mars. SpaceX, under the leadership of Elon Musk, brought a fresh perspective and renewed vigor to the idea of colonizing Mars. Their relentless pursuit of innovation and progress has been instrumental in bringing us closer to the reality of a Mars colony. Next, we delved into the current developments in Mars colonization. We're living in a time of unprecedented space exploration, with technology advancing at a breakneck speed. Today, the idea of colonizing Mars is no longer a distant dream, but an imminent reality. With each passing day, we're inching closer to setting foot on the Red Planet. Finally, we looked ahead to the future of Mars colonization. It's a future filled with promise and potential, where the boundaries of human exploration are constantly being pushed. The prospect of a self-sustaining colony on Mars is not just a possibility, but a probability in our lifetime. The journey to Mars is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It's a story of how we, as a species, refuse to be confined by our earthly boundaries, constantly striving to explore the unknown. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed our trek through the history of Mars colonization, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting space content. Until next time, keep looking up.